Today, I am going to teach you how to make healthy and tasty youtiao. This is healthy version, different from what you might expect in terms of ingredients, shaping and frying oil and process. And trust me, there are no weird flavors. It's crispy on the outside and soft and chewy with a honeycomb texture that's a bit hollow inside because it's enough fermentation and frying temperature are a key. This recipe yields 4 pieces in a bowl. Combine 90 grams of cold milk, 2 teaspoons which is 12 grams of sugar, half teaspoon about 2 grams of dried yeast, and 125 grams of cake flour mixed with half teaspoon of baking powder. On the side, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but make sure not to mix the salt directly with the baking powder and yeast. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl, or use a bread maker instead for convenience way. To knead the dough and let it ferment by using the dough setting, about at 30 to 45 minutes, until you hear the signal that it's ready to be shaped. You can make your own cake flour at home, just using 2 ingredients. Check it out the video recipe link on this video below description box. If you use cake flour, it will make sure when the fried breadsticks are completely cool, but still not hard. It's still fluffy and nice chew. If you have any leftovers, just store the fried breadsticks in an airtight container in the freezer. When you are ready to eat, no need to defrost, just pop them straight into the air fryer or oven to reheat and serve. It's easy to shape the dough like this way, and I use a dough scraper. To cut it in half makes it quicker too. Let it rest for a second fermentation at least 15 minutes before deep frying. If you want the texture with hollow inside, it's important to enough fermentation. As a basic secret, in a pan, pour in some olive oil for frying, not the salad kind. This is the best cooking oil I've found so far for frying, cooking, and baking. I set 15 minutes for the round 1 frying fried breadsticks dough. My cooking hob heat temperature from low 1 to 9 high. Heat the pan on medium-high for 3 minutes, then keep the temperature at medium-high for another 3 minutes while deep frying. Then switch to medium heat. It's best to adjust it without heat thermometer. Cover the lids just in case. Keep an eye on it until they puff up and turn golden brown. Beware your hands are all dry, no water. It's dangerous if any water drop onto hot oil. There's no smoky oil taste. Good control your frying temperature. Wear sunglasses to not hurt your eyes. The kitchen also less greasy feel. Make sure kitchen is all window open and good ventilation. Now you can make your own crunchy, airy fried bread dough, fried breadsticks, which is what youtiao means in Chinese. Drain them on kitchen paper. If you don't know to clip chopsticks, then don't use it. My absolute favorite way to enjoy plain and see the textures while eating and with sencha or jasmine green tea, or is perfect to eat fried breadsticks, cut into pieces and put over the top with rice congee for brunch. It's made me pure savory satisfied, and I love to dip with soup rice noodles. You can also cut the fried breadsticks into small pieces and dip them in soup or dry noodles or rice congee, my favorite for a delightful treat. Happy cooking, happy eating, and happy weekend, my friends. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to press that like button me, and I will share more unique recipes every week.